When we bought this house, the kitchen was in original condition, and I don't think they had done any sort of remodel or renovation in the kitchen area since then. So the cabinets were quite old, the paint was peeling off of the cabinets, the doors wouldn't close properly. That was the main motivation to get it to look more contemporary. When we were serious about what we actually wanted, when we figured out these are the kind of styles that we like in the kitchen cabinets and the general look, that's when we started looking for general contractors. And although Golden View wasn't the cheapest, we felt that the value for money provided by Golden View was much higher. One of the biggest reasons why we went with Golden View was their design services. So when we started off, we were looking for someone who could do the project end to end. They would provide us with suggestions on designs, help us with going to showrooms to pick out material. The nice thing was that once we picked out the cabinets, Asel was able to create some 3D renderings to show us exactly how the kitchen would look like. So that was a great benefit to working with Asel and Golden View, that we were able to actually picturize how it would look. There was a combination that we really liked in one of the stores. It was very expensive. What we asked her was that could we get cabinets for the lower part from one store and for the upper part from another store. Golden View was willing to work with that. So that was very nice. So with Mike, what I have observed is that he's a very patient guy. Mike has been great in that he mentally keeps a track of the things that he needs to either do or discuss or reach out to somebody. I think I'm quite happy with how everything turned out. That's what I really like. Ultimately, if you are shown something and you're able to deliver on it, then that's what I was looking for. It's spot on. So I'm happy.